Have you ever wished you could hardwire your brain to search for data as if it were Google? Well, the great news is you can. Imagine how many million pieces of information come into our brains every single millisecond, how much a light is flashing, how traffic passing by on the road, who's saying what in the same room as us. Thousands and thousands of pieces of information every second, and we have the ability to filter out what isn't relevant for us. And that comes from this brilliant little gizmo in our brain called the reticular activating system. And the reticular activating system's job is to search for relevance. It's incredibly refined and not only gives us the obvious pieces of data that we're looking for, but makes amazing connections that we couldn't begin to make consciously because it has access to all the information that we have at a subconscious level. So, for example, imagine you're looking for a new role at work and you're at a party and you just feel an instinct to go over and talk to a particular person. Somewhere it's possible that you have an awareness of that person's profession, or you already know something about them because you've heard of them before. It just so happens they have that very role available in their company at that time. So basically, it's not supernatural, but it makes connections that we would have no way of consciously knowing. On a very simple level, you'll be able to totally relate to from your life already. Imagine you're thinking of buying a blue car. It's a particular make and model, and you go out walking and you see that particular car in that colour absolutely everywhere. Or you're expecting a baby and you've just found out you're expecting a baby, and everywhere you look you see pregnant women and buggies and baby clothes. That's all down to the reticular activating system. And you can learn to drive that. You can learn to have it work for you. If you like, effectively, you can train your brain to work for you and give you the information that you need in a heartbeat. So if you'd like to find out more about that and you find that interesting, then please do get in touch and we'd be really happy to talk with you about it.